Bruce Lee bursts into the narrow corridor, every move a microsecond, his hands a blur of calculated power. The tempo climbs as he dissects each incoming attack, redirecting momentum with flawless redirection and a lethal, practiced calm. A single, perfect line of strikes ends the exchange, revealing his philosophy that true speed comes from precision and economy of motion. Each movement is a thesis on balance, breath, and intent, a masterclass in turning weaknesses into overwhelming force. The scene seals Bruce Lee's legend, echoing through cinema as a blueprint for how to strike with purpose.